Some classics never go out of style. They just need a fresh perspective. Hey folks, you're on the line with Chef Kevin. This time we're reimagining the traditional shrimp cocktail. We're ditching the old ketchup and horseradish sauce and pairing perfectly cooked shrimp with rich, smoky Romesco sauce. Made with roasted red peppers, tomatoes, almonds, garlic, and smoked paprika. Bold, versatile, and it's just as comfortable on grilled meats, pasta, sandwiches, and seafood. First thing we're going to start with, folks, is drizzling our shrimp. Beautiful Ocean Horizon shrimp. These are 1620s, phosphate-free. Excellent, excellent product. We're going to get them all coated up real quick. And then we're going to use a long full tray. Put those one out. And you want to get them nice and even in there. And then we're going to go in the oven about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. First thing you want to do when making Romesco sauce, you're going to use some roasted red peppers, roll-in roasted red peppers, followed by some crushed tomatoes, formanos, toasted almonds. I like to toast the almonds. It gives it more of a rich, deep flavor rather than just leaving them untoasted. We're going to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar, give it a little brightness and some acidity. Some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley. I just minced up this garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic in there. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, which I feel like is the most important flavor in Romesco. Gives it a nice smoky flavor. Onion powder and garlic powder. A little bit of cayenne for some kick, never hurt anybody. And some salt and pepper for flavor. After you get all those in there, you want to start a whirlpool. $100 Look at that. Look at the nice color, texture. The great thing about Romesco sauce is it can be a spread, it can be a dip.
The possibilities are really endless.
Now let's go about plating the dish up. We got our shrimp here, they've been cooked, chilled. I like to have them going all the same way. It makes for a nice presentation. And now, the Romesco. What we're really doing is reimagining the old classic shrimp cocktail. Just giving it a modern twist, more flavor, no ketchup or horseradish required. You can melt your favorite cheese into it to make a queso. You could add breadcrumbs in it to make it a spread. Or you could put some mayonnaise in there and put it on a sandwich. It really can do it all. And in this application, we're serving it in its true form, a Romesco sauce. Great for dipping your chilled shrimp in, get rid of that old cocktail, and modernize an old classic. I'm Chef Kevin with FoodPRO, and we'll catch you next time on the line.